Hey there, future doctors. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of IVF, or in vitro fertilization, and how it's revolutionizing fertility treatments. You've probably heard about IVF, but let's break down the magic behind helping these sperm and eggs meet when they otherwise couldn't. Essentially, life is being created right here in the lab. Back in the early 80s, IVF success rates were a mere 10%. Fast forward to today, and for women under 35, the success rate has jumped to over 30%. However, for women in their early 40s, it drops to about 1 in 10. These rising success rates are thanks to new and improved techniques like ICSI, or Intracytoplasmic Sperm Injection. With ICSI, we can inject sperm directly into the egg using a tube as thin as a hair. This is particularly helpful when sperm quality is low and they can't easily penetrate the egg on their own. Once the sperm is in, the egg has to go through the process of accepting it. By bringing them together in this controlled environment, we increase the odds of fertilization. If the egg gets fertilized, it starts dividing and becomes an embryo. But not all lab-created embryos lead to successful pregnancies. There can be genetic issues or developmental problems, and sometimes the embryo just doesn't implant into the womb. A recent breakthrough, though, has made a big difference. Time-lapse cameras inside incubators now monitor embryos as they grow. These cameras take a picture every 10 minutes, creating a video that shows the embryo's journey from one cell to multiple cells. This constant monitoring helps us identify which embryos are developing properly and have the best chance for success. One critical thing we've learned is why it's harder to get pregnant as you age. It's not just about having fewer eggs, it's also about egg quality. Some eggs have membranes that are too soft, collapsing as soon as sperm is injected. Others develop tougher membranes over time, making it hard for sperm to get in. So while we might feel younger than ever, our eggs still age the same way they did 100 years ago. With more women choosing to have babies later, we're seeing more cases where eggs can't be fertilized or lead to a baby. So that's a quick look at how IVF is changing the game in fertility. Until next time, keep studying and keep dreaming big.